Hello, riders. Welcome back. What if I told you that one of Honda's most beloved small-capacity touring bikes has just made a comeback? A bike that was once the entry point for countless adventure riders. The machine that gave new riders a taste of big bike styling without the intimidating power. Yes, the Honda XL125V Varadero has returned in 2026. And this time it's leaner, sharper, and smarter than ever before. Stick with me, because Honda didn't just revive a classic. They've redefined what a 125cc touring motorcycle can be. The original Varadero 125 earned a special place in motorcycling history. Launched at the turn of the millennium, it gave beginners the chance to experience adventure styling and long-distance comfort on a license-friendly machine. For many, it was their first taste of the touring lifestyle. Tall windscreen, upright ergonomics, and that unmistakable mini-adventure bike silhouette. It looked like a shrunken-down Africa twin, and people loved it. Now, nearly 2 decades after production ended, Honda has decided the time is right for a revival. The 2026 XL125V Varadero is here, and it's carrying forward the spirit of its predecessor, while meeting the demands of today's riders. At first glance, the design makes a bold statement. The new Varadero looks grown up, with sharp lines borrowed from Honda's larger adventure machines. The tall front fairing is sculpted for aerodynamics, while the stacked LED headlights give it a confident modern face. It sits higher than most 125cc bikes, with a presence that makes it look like a mid-weight touring motorcycle, rather than an entry-level machine. Honda clearly wanted new riders to feel proud riding it, not like they're on a compromise. Powering the 2026 Varadero is Honda's newly developed 125cc single-cylinder engine, liquid-cooled and equipped with advanced fuel injection. It produces just under 15 horsepower, keeping it learner-legal in many regions, but Honda has tuned it for efficiency and smooth delivery. That means this little Varadero can cruise comfortably at highway speeds while sipping fuel at an impressive rate of nearly 40 kilometers per liter. With a 15-liter tank, that translates into a realistic range of more than 500 kilometers on a single fill. For a 125, that's incredible, and it fits the touring spirit perfectly. But numbers only tell part of the story. The new engine is also Euro 6 compliant, whisper quiet at idle, and remarkably refined for its size. Honda has worked hard to minimize vibrations, using a new balance shaft system that keeps longer rides comfortable. This is a 125 that doesn't feel overwhelmed by the open road. It feels ready for it. The chassis has been engineered with touring in mind. Steel diamond frame provides strength and stability, while long travel suspension ensures it can handle potholes, rough roads, and even light off-road detours. The front features a 19-inch wheel, giving it that adventure-ready stance, while the rear sticks with a 17-inch for balance and comfort. Suspension travel is around 150 millimeters, more than enough for its class. Disc brakes front and rear, equipped with ABS, add confidence and safety for new riders. Comfort is where the Varadero really shines. Honda has designed the seat to be wide and supportive, with a seat height of around 800 millimeters. Tall enough for that adventure bike feel, but still accessible for shorter riders. The riding position is upright and natural, with wide handlebars and forward-set foot pegs that make long hours in the saddle easy. The adjustable windscreen does an impressive job of deflecting wind, while the fairing gives decent protection from the elements. In short, it feels like a proper touring motorcycle, just scaled down. Technology also plays a big role in the new Varadero. Honda equipped it with a bright, full-color TFT display that shows all the essentials: speed, fuel, range, gear indicator, and even smartphone connectivity for navigation and notifications. Rider aids are simple but practical: switchable ABS, basic traction control, and 2 riding modes, Eco and Road. Eco mode softens throttle response to maximize efficiency, while Road gives you the full performance of the engine. It's not overloaded with tech, but it has exactly what new riders need. Honda also leaned into customization. The 2026 Varadero comes with a range of factory accessories, including panniers, a top box, heated grips, and even auxiliary lights. Riders can outfit the bike for commuting, light touring, or weekend adventures. For young riders, this is a big deal. It's a 125C that feels like a real adventure tourer, complete with all the gear. Fuel efficiency, comfort, and range make the XL125V Varadero stand out. But here's the real surprise. Honda is offering an optional hybrid assist version. Yes, you heard that right. For the first time, a small-capacity touring bike can be equipped with a tiny electric motor that assists during acceleration and city riding. It doesn't add huge power, but it makes the bike feel livelier off the line while improving efficiency even further. Honda is betting this hybrid option will appeal to eco-conscious young riders who want to embrace new technology without giving up the simplicity of a petrol bike. So, who is this bike for? It's for new riders who want a machine that feels substantial without being intimidating. It's for commuters who want comfort and fuel economy, but also the ability to take a weekend trip. And it's for anyone who believes that motorcycling isn't just about horsepower, it's about freedom, style, and the journey itself. The Varadero name has always been about adventure made accessible, and the 2026 revival nails that philosophy. The Honda XL125V Varadero of 2026 is not the most powerful bike, nor is it the flashiest, but it doesn't need to be. It's a motorcycle that invites new riders into the adventure touring world with open arms. It's reliable, efficient, and comfortable, with just enough technology to feel modern without overwhelming. In many ways, it's exactly what motorcycling needs right now. A reminder that you don't need 100 horsepower to explore, to enjoy, and to fall in love with the road. So, what do you think? Has Honda done justice to the Varadero legacy? Or should they have pushed even further? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. This has been your deep dive into the 2026 Honda XL125V Varadero. Thanks for riding along with me. This is Acer Rider signing off. Until next time, ride safe, ride far, and remember, adventure is for everyone.